Change has always been a challenge for all of us. But it can put us in a new perspective and bring important things back into focus to supply you with the exact service you need, exactly when you need it.
Hello, Jess. How are you? Vacation?
Having us at your fingertips reduces your cost
Yes, can you go a little bit right?
without any sacrifice in quality. Enable your employees to set up your installation with the help of our experienced support team. Stay flexible.
Yeah.
Anywhere, anytime. SHW Storage and Handling Solutions, together with Microsoft HoloLens. From consulting to commissioning and beyond. Everything from a single source.